Don't buy the corner shower door before you see this video. The important thing to see these type of videos is to see what problems I bump into, and you can actually learn from them. So I want to give you all the steps that I took and what are the mistakes that you may be able to avoid, just like what I did over here. So I got this corner shower from a company called Suni, and they said they're really inexpensive. Honestly, I was thinking that it's gonna cost me a lot of money, but less than $500. I mean, even like less than $400. So it was the cheapest one, honestly, because every time that I go to a big home improvement store, they charge me a lot of money. And I got it through Amazon, so it has 2 years warranty. It says that it's a 34 by 34. But the cool thing is that the pieces are the same. I mean, you don't have to guess so much, because for the bottom part, the horizontal ones are 4 of them that are the same, and only like 3 different type of screws. So it's not like you have to do some sort of furniture style assembly. Now, what you gotta do is you gotta put together the 2 side panels, and they come with these clips that will hold the panel in place, the glass panel in place, and it also has a seal, like a siliconized seal that you put just to kind of hold the piece of glass together. Now you have to put a little bit of soap or maybe like a little bit of oil to push it in, because it was hard. When it was dry, it was hard to put it in. So that's the first thing that you need to learn. Now, if you see here, I just put it together. It has 2 angles, one on top and one on the bottom, that puts it together. And you definitely need 2 people to work with this type of systems. But see, these angles, you put them right there, and they come with 2 screws on each. So what I did is that, because I didn't know exactly where to put those vertical pieces that will hold it together. See, what I did is that I put them there, and I made sure that I knew exactly, having a square, where they were going. I perforated these tiles with these hollow diamond tipped drill bits. So these are, the best drill bits that I normally use, because the other ones are, like carbide bits. They don't work really well. And again, you use the same length of screws. Now, for those vertical pieces, what I did is that I put a little bit of silicone so I can hold it together, and I can put my screws. And on the doors, you have 2 different type of like a railing system, wheels. The bottom one has this kind of spring-like mechanism that will help you to put the wheels into the track. And the top ones will, you have a different type of thing, but the top ones, you just kind of lay them there, and on the bottom, you press that support down, and you just kind of put the wheels into the track on the bottom. So it's really cool. And not only that, but it has these bumpers, and the little bumpers will stop the wheels from going against the door or against the wall. So it's really cool. You can adjust the level of those doors with 2 screws that are on the upper wheel. So if you wanna just kind of level them up, because once you want the doors to meet together, then sometimes you have that issue. The handles are really cool. This is a brushed nickel finish, and you have that kind of doorknob style inside, I guess, so they don't clash against each other. And the bottom, you can put a little Allen key and twist it, but the outside is just like a regular one. So this seal that is in this corner meets the other one with a magnet, so it helps you to maintain it, just like, imagine like a refrigerator type of thing, like that. So you have this little finishing caps over here that you will put once you put the first bushing, and then you put the cap. And look how cool they look like. And also, don't forget about the silicone. You're going to put silicone on the bottom, silicone on those verticals, just to maintain the water inside. Now, here's an important thing that you need to remember. Again, this size is about 34 by 34, but because you don't know the condition of your walls, maybe they are not level, you want to proceed the way I did, because it will help you a lot. You have to secure it, those verticals, against the frame with some screws. So you need to make a little perforation and put 2 screws, one on top and one on the bottom. So although the wall can be crooked, your door can be nice and level. Now follow my channel so you can learn a lot of more stuff about how to fix your house and do it yourself. I'll see you there, and thank you. Bye.